Hello everyone, my name is Jessica there, and I went from making zero money online to making my first 1 million naira in the first month of starting this business. That's not even all. I won an all express paid trip to Dubai. I know it's crazy, I could not even believe it. If I can do this, nothing stops you from doing this as well. It's been an amazing journey learning from Prince Uchuka. His mentorship and guidance have been so helpful, and the only regrets I have is not starting this business earlier. I should have started earlier. Now, if you're at that point in your life where you're looking to learn how to sell online, or you're looking to improve your finances, I highly recommend you get the 7-figure roadmap, because with the 7-figure roadmap, your success in the online business is really, really guaranteed. I can't wait to share your success story to the world.